Hey guys, it is me Ubaid, and today I will be talking about how you can build an AI agent. It will be a voice AI agent which will replace the all the order taking calls uh, for a catering business, right? So I am building it for a client, and obviously I will not be revealing the name and all, but this is a dummy name, Asia Foods. And so it can be a restaurant, it can be a business, who can provide food for events, right? Catering business. So the agent name is Sarah, and basically what Sarah can do, it can remember this menu and take the orders from the customer and then fill it out in a CRM, or for example here I am just showing this a Google Sheet, and this is also well connected with the Retell agent, right? Retell is the platform which we are using to build the voice agent, right? It can be Retell, it can be WAPI, it can be Blend, it can be 11 Labs, it can be Synthflow. All of these are just tools, platforms to build voice AI agent. The underlying concepts are all the same, and that's why you can use LiveKit or PipeCat or Video SDK to build these voice agents for free also. And that's what I'm talking about here. You can go to my website and take a look here. If you're working on any custom project, you can book a strategy call where we can discuss how to build whatever you are building and what is the right way to go about it. And or maybe you can just drop me an email or the WhatsApp message, uh, just telling your problem, and I will make sure that you get a reply within 24 hours. Okay, now let's do a demo first, and then we will talk about how we can build this agent end to end, right? So here I have my mobile phone. Let me just grab it here. So I will be calling to my agent number, and I will keep it on speakers so that you can also listen to it. And basically this phone number I will just delete it after this video, so don't worry about that. Okay, here we have +19737989929. Okay, I am calling my agent.
Hello, I am Sarah from Asia Foods. How can I help you today?
Hey Sarah, I want to place an order. Can you do that for me?
Absolutely, I can help you with that. Could you please tell me your name, the items and quantities you'd like to order, and your preferred pickup day and time?
Yeah, my name is Sam Altman, and I
Thank you,
want
Sam.
to
What items
order.
and quantities?
Yeah, I want to order one biryani, one chicken biryani, with full tray deep.
Great. You'd like one chicken biryani full tray deep. Could you please let me know your preferred pickup day and time?
Yeah, it can be tomorrow 3 p.m.
Your order for one chicken biryani full tray deep is confirmed for pickup tomorrow at 3 p.m. If you need anything else or want to make changes, just let me know. Thank you for choosing Asia Foods.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Sam. Have a great day.
Okay, so I just placed an order to my catering business, and it's weird that it's saying Artman. It may be because of noise, and also because of the accent. is not trained on, obviously, right? So but most probably, it will get it right, and there are ways to go about it for the accuracy of pronunciation and all that. For the phone number, I am just keeping it to not record the phone number, uh, because it's my personal one, right? The one I'm using to call, but it can, like record the phone number, because that's not a problem, right? So one chicken biryani full tray deep tomorrow 3 p.m. is the order which this catering business has to prepare for Sam Altman, right? So yeah, that is the agent. And now think of it like how this pipeline, how these three tools, Retell, Make, and Google Sheet, the combination of three can automate how many number of businesses. Like this is the, best use case you can think of. Order placing, appointment booking, uh, what else, business can do, right? Whatever, all the operation stuff that can go to AI, it can be handled through this pipeline only, and you can get it from the description. There will be a link about it. You can just text me like, hey, give me these three blueprints, so I can just send you the JSON, send you make blueprint, send you the this Google Sheet template, and you can just replicate it for your own business, or maybe create it for some business, right? And sell the agent. Okay, now let's see how we build it. So it's a prompt, definitely, right? Every AI agent has a brain, which is essentially the prompt, right? uh, and you just set your conditions, tell what the agent role is, what's the identity, what are the customer details, all of that. And then you give your agent some tools and functions. Like for ending the call, I have this function. To place the order, I have this function. Now this order, I send it to make, and eventually make send it to, I will just go to scenarios and make send it to my Google Sheet. Now I will go to take order scenario. So what data it is sending, it is right here. So name, order items, phone number, and the pickup day time. All of these four things are going into make.com, and this was that less than 1 second ago. This was our operation, and here we are just sending it through a webhook, and then uh, appending a row or creating a new row in our sheet, Google Sheet. So name will be name, phone number, order, pickup, and all that, right? uh, all the four columns is being filled with the make.com. This data is coming from Retell, and the source of this data is obviously the user who is calling, right? So yeah, that was it, right? And now here is the interesting part, and I would just want to write it down. So so this Retell can be replaced with 7 to 8 tools. You can just research a bit about what's your use case and how you want to use it. I'm not writing because it will be a long video. I will make separate videos for like how you can replace Retell, how you can replace make.com, how you can replace Google Sheet with some CRM, all of that, right? Okay, but for this you can join my school community, and I think I have a link here, and this link will be in the description also. You can just uh, you know uh, give me a request to join, and I will accept that. And then you can come to community and ask your questions here also, right? So whatever this guy is asking, so all of that I will make sure that it get answered, and you can just uh, you know book a call with me one to one also if you are in this community. Okay, thank you. I hope this video helps in whatever way, and yeah, I will make sure in the next one. Thanks for watching.